So we reacting to Kiss or Diss, but face to face. Yeah. It's a South Africa edition. Manzini, Asna intro, Obia Bora. I see.
You're looking good. But what I know?
Who cares what it goes
Oh, like, he's looking nasty like. Huh? Do you have to kiss him or what?
Maybe.
I'm not just trying to blow the kiss.
Umuntu owazana ama-effects kuba YouTube edit awayenzi into wayenza. So that's
There was 25,000 likes on this video.
That's it.
Let's get it.
Can you say something?
Operate something. Operate something. Continue from here, it's fine. But I know that I'm going to hold the hand.
I'm not gonna diss nobody, dog.
Take your time with it, though.
This is some hater shit. Imagine if I could see Garama to him, you know, being a crazy.
Yeah, which is unfair because working out back.
Oh, my too. Why break up a happy home? What for the ball, okay? You wanna go so pre that you can't even lie about it. Looks just like because bullshit, man. Like, it does issue.
Nje uthi ikhubazekile. On the hand.
Good question.
Watch him get this.
But he didn't diss the other girls.
No, he didn't diss any of them. He kissed all of them. Watch him get this.
Hey guys, it's Oumar again now. It's been
Because
a good month
women-
since I've been on this, the channel and everything. But I'm back, so stay tuned.
Don't have mercy. I need you guys.
Ngoba abantu abaserious ngempilo bantu abakashi.
I'm not feeling the shoes.
It is, though. It's not.
They are green.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
On your hand.
Hey. Also, kabula ngalo mlomo kabula liyamfana dot.
Are you with it or against what he did? What he
I'm
just
with
said?
it.
You with it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ish, I'm not to this. Your ankles look a bit dry though.
Wena nto kufaka base song yakho ngadawo la basibalawo. Yamaqala lama by the way. Mara nje.
Namveli secret ongayiva.
Mara isuke lingaphansi kweqakala. Hayi.
Nakona kuya ngokuthi
Nakhona ufaka iteki.
angisiyathi ama-recorder mina ungibheke kahle. Angisikahle.
No, ufake u-track suit. But nakhona
Yeah, mari u-record bengeke abona amasokisi ukuthi aqoka makusabe ngasi-record. Recorder vele.
actually yeah, anginayo vele incwazi eveza amaqakala.
Uzwakala kanjani? Uzwakala kanjani?
Ova base-secret song kade ufaka ama-palms la i-bad bitch ayake.
I don't know what to say, so.
Nakhani man. Oh, shame never laugh, we are blush.
Uyashalaza, uyashalaza.
Uyashalaza.
Ubona umfazi.
Ngathi intombi esemfuleni. Amadoda wasekho.
Your hair looks dry, it doesn't look moisturized, so. Yeah.
Sure. Ngamthula lesigqoko asithwele.
Ngathi wena, confident engaka wena.
Yena ngikhuluma ngaleli kepisi.
Lesi singaphansi.
Lesi singaphansi. Ngikhuluma sana.
The beard is not connecting.
I know that's cap.
Abona kukuvele ungathuna wa-host ishow yakho wahlukana ne-disbire. Uzifake isikele
This ain't for you. This ain't for you.
Ujabo, you know. Jump upon my bullets.
This shit connect. Come on, butt. Come on, butt. Do your thing.
Hey, yo, what's up? Man, I never kissed National. It's just my first time. Anyways, nah, she's not my type. This, though. I got
No, you gotta dish it. No, please.
Nah, dog.
Do your thing. Let's
Hey,
go.
Nah, dog. The wig is not looking expensive, so I can't do with it.
Show induku zakhe. Induku zakhe.
Igqoko.
Ngathi wena.
Mara, this is unfair. Why this? I don't get why
It's the
this.
game, it's the whole game.
Yeah, but why this? Why can't you just say pause? Kiss or pause? Things is two extremes. Now you have to hurt someone's feelings. It's bad enough that some people get their feelings hurt when they're playing this game. But
Mara
why?
vele mawukule queue, umuntu onama feelings angakhawatheka. By default.
Fair enough. And I hope feminists see this and speak to you about it somewhere in the future.
Import.
I'm gonna blow your kiss. I won't lie. The trip is not nice, but then, like, you know, I'm gonna tease you back. Hey, I won't lie. And also, the trip is not nice.
Do you even care what a girl dresses like?
Or they
Like,
do.
ngithi wena. Like, ngaphandle
I
kokuthi
want to find this number fun.
ngaphandle kweyiqephe nani nani.
Yeah.
Like nje
No.
ubungalo dawushaya itrip.
No, angiboni.
Isikhathi
Angiboni.
samasimba mina.
Noma ngagqoka amapijama, abe mahle amapijama akhona.
Standard. Kotiza wena makoti nje into efanele uyenze nje.
Kube usilk.
Yena into efanele yenze ukotiza. Ukuthi idrip, jean yenzeni angendaba
Kodwa
nokudonti.
nabo ugotiza kanjani? Ngoba bayidwewe ngisho.
And that's why first date so swimmer. She fully brown.
Oh my god.
Kuyasala inkope lapha. Kuyasala inkope.
Man, she got those feelings, and it's not my thing. But for you, I'll blow your kiss, no cap. I'll blow your kiss also. I'll blow your kiss.
This guy actually gives a fuck about the clothes.
He does. It's
Thank you. Oh, she got the money. Wait, by the way, she got the money, so.
Money gang. Yes, hey. No, money gang. What you mean?
Guys, I'm Justin and I'm here for a video. Alright.
Nice hair.
she's just beautiful. Muhle lo sisi.
Man, you're cute, but like those pants that you said just make you look extra short.
Oh,
That's true.
below the belt.
From skin jean.
She went for the S word.
Oh, yo.
Jesus.
Yeah. These shoes, my boy. I don't know. I
was talking shit for me to fucking party. He really was.
Well, yes, but she didn't have to go for the S word. Jesus.
No, kuna lale.
Yeah, le court. Non kuma le court. I'm still
Omo mo korti.
Eh,
Mo korti korti. Givele mthini. Ufuna ukuthini? Givele mthini bawukorti.
Uba court. Okay.
Dude, do you know how many girls are shorter than me? It's like
I know, but
exactly. It's like
well, he's in a room full of girls that are either his height or taller.
what are they actually taller than?
So
Or
yeah.
skin jean.
Or you can go to any of these events, like any of these shows.
Yeah.
Oh, if they say something, you're obviously gonna feel some type of way, even if you don't be clean. Even if you don't.
Njengoba
You're gonna
ngisho
match it ashalaza kanje.
ingoba
Okaphoza
ubabule
kanje.
kwamiso.
But aphoza kanje.
Uzogcina dlula. Azachit.
Ngcono ubuthulile. Phela ngcono ubuthulile. Let's get niggas always winning.
Your
pretty
symptom,
boy.
you still haven't gotten a bull. Nah, I'm just gonna leave him by here.
What did you say? He hasn't
You look like
gotten
you
a
belong
nipple.
on Pixar. You know one of
you
those,
don't
like, I
do
don't know,
that.
like that lamp.
Oh,
I
she
don't
said
know, I feel
nipple.
like you said nice.
To say a bowl or something.
What the fuck is a ball?
So how would it say?
Oh, it's the.
So your symptom, you still haven't gotten a bull.
Oh, it's the piercing like hers.
Nakudelana nayo nalo.
Yeah, I'm not piercing Lela.
Yasoqhudelana ngamacici endlini wena. Ufuna ukuqonda mina ngeke. Hayi.
Wangena ngoma street fight labantu. Uzoba nerengela.
Nah, I'm just gonna leave him by here. You look like you belong on Pixar. You know one of those, like, I don't know, like that lamp. I know, it does.
That was smart. That was very smart.
Know your kiss.
She's trying to cut back.
Yeah, just trying to
Because
come
we date for the boys.
back.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy Quentin, Mr. AKA Quinton underscore on the gram. Back at it again to do another.
He's had a good run. This ball was just like
I don't know, someone with XX in their name is just.
YouTube video. Let's go. Asian hazy. Small for me. This is how close I am to kissing you.
Oof. He went for the teeth.
And I come down on a gap inside the region. Most of them, like, they don't even show their teeth.
I do.
They don't even smile. Nobody cares about you. That's the thing.
Okay. Hey, fuck, I thought you cared. Jesus. Okay. Fuck you. My feelings are hurt. He could have just kissed her in the mouth.
Hey!
He could have just kissed her in the mouth and it would have meant the same thing. What?
Kiss it. Kiss it. Kiss it.
All the Sundays.
Ish.
Okay. What determines who gets what kind of kiss? I'm confused.
Let's get it.
Yeah, but why did he kiss her in the cheek and then kiss others in the... You could have just kissed her in the lips. It would have...
It's called lack of self-esteem.
Okay. But it's light skin.
Manje?
I hope my people into...
Uqala ushaka wenjani?
Yeah.
Uqala ushaka wenjani? Fana
Sure,
no Chris
they
Breezy.
colored too.
Chris Breezy.
Somebody like Jan van Riebeck.
Chris Breezy. Ushaka.
He'll be like, she's like that. Yo.
Ish.
Ayisashalaza intombazana.
Hey, what the muhle shame. Yo, Nkosi yami.
Wathi unesifombo yambona indlela yami ngayo.
Ah man, ngoba igqwela khe la.
Use a ruler next time.
What do you use a ruler? Amajitasile. Wabanga letha boshera babi. Angikaze ngibone shera omubi la mina.
Like literally, we coded like a pick at random.
How?
Oh, just thank you. Let's operate some. Guess who's back? Back again. Hey everyone, welcome back. And my name is Ria Mukolopo. I hope you guys enjoy this video.
And you're pretty.
I know you come through with the distance. No, you gotta take care. Do you see me? Help me with the first list. Here's the first list. Guys, I don't have disses in me, hey? But take your time with it. Don't. You can't be in me. Your height is a cap.
And we bullet a
You're kept here.
Yo.
No, but this is unfair. Why go for the height?
Why not?
He cannot change it.
So,
Yeah.
so.
I don't know. Come on, his feelings.
When my feelings in the height, we not. Hey, come on. Hey, man.
Hi. This, but I don't have a this. And now I feel like he already knows his shoes are ugly,
Yeah.
as they say it. I'm just kidding, they're actually cute.
Get insurance that pays out faster than the way Archie. Budget. The official
Budget
insurance
sponsor
of South
up.
Africa.
Ngebicycle.
Lilinganamavili.
Hey man, shut up. Upeze a sponsor.
Okay, yeah.
Aza ngeke sicebe sambala.
Kodwa ke
Ay.
sponsor frame.
Just looks like inspiring like a Ben 10. Saying the kick game is nonsense, what? Saying the kick game is nonsense, what? Considering I saw a lot of light skin tendencies, yo. Imagine my boyfriend looking, Imagine my boyfriend looking in the mirror more than I do. No, thank you. Game is nonsense, what? Saying the kick game is nonsense, what?
You know, everyone who comes to the show they have the exact same kind of dressing. Like, the dress code is basically the same.
It's like umuntu wangabaya.
Yeah, bonga bom rap. They look like John Cena's worst nightmare. I don't know.
I saw a lot of light skin tendencies, yo. Imagine my boyfriend looking in the mirror more than I do. No, thank you.
So what the hell?
Can I blow you a kiss?
Oh.
You know, you see that song?
Hey.
He's a runner, he's a track star. She's a runner, she's a track star. It looks like it was written for you. I have nothing to violate. I don't talk to you anymore.
What up? It's your boy, Just Daddy G. Welcome back. Yes, back to another video, baby.
Don't be shy, bro. I need someone to go wild with the virus. You guys are taking it.
I'm not gonna go out with the
I say.
I'm never that chill.
Don't be shy.
Now, gentlemen. No.
Operates on the no, I'm gonna keep going. Yeah, I know. Continue.
I'm gonna play your kiss. Let's get it my way. I'll also play your kiss. Yeah, how you think? I'm great. I'll also play your kiss. let's play your kiss.
Are they,
Okay, now.
are there rules to this thing?
Let's play your kiss.
Seriously, are there rules to this thing?
Hey, Asaz.
What does blowing a kiss mean? Is it kiss or dose? Like, makamgware man, gwara bonke, qale lapha, cime lapha. What about ngaba kwaruthi?
Ngiyakuthuka le ntende.
Udinga kuba kwakushiya.
Umphathisa. Ukhushukelwa ama-high blood.
And my wife. The thing is, I'm not just trying to blow the kiss. Shoot.
Oh, yona lento kade ilindile le.
Belo lamaziyo ngegrinder. Kumele nje. Bajola. I hope basingile. Ngoba kuzona nje lo une-out. Yo, Nkosi yami.
Watching other people kiss it always look like where's that dog?
Yo, Lord. Abanga kuthiwa yo Nkosi yami, yo.
Ngiyabona into ebhaya uyithema lakhe ukucela inyuku ukuthi uye mall nabangani bakhe. Qavuka ku YouTube wenza le nto.
Banemoto lapha.
Either way,
Banemoto.
sipalisa imali yomkhero. Bathe babuvi. We.
Mhlawumbe bazoshada.
Do you know what would have been sick?
What?
Kube nayo yamqabula.
Qabule nanga.
Wathi xa uthi uphethe doti. Position.
Now, back, still frame. Look at this. She looks like she's expecting a kiss. She looks like she's expecting a kiss.
Actually.
He's gonna blow it. Oh, you can look at blow. He was compensating for local wins.
What's up, you guys? It's Black Stallion on all social media platforms.
Bonke labo bantwana bayinyelile lele.
Bayithele ngama-salad bonke. Ngathi lokuqala zange ayithele ama-salad.
Oh, uyitholile.
Qale. Oh.
Angisho iqale.
Ikepisi.
Bonke.
Oh, uyo levulile. What in lowest hanging fruit? What in lowest hanging fruit?
Indoda eqola ijini ethai.
Ipeke.
Yeah. Hey, ngiyabheka. Ithi ngiyacela kakhulu.
Makaphuza impama. Aphuza impama nje.
Ethi dalela nawe. Tell ngabantu.
Yazwini.
You don't look old enough to be here.
Yes. Makubize ngengane.
At least you found a creative way to say it.
Actually. Delela amantombazane.
He doesn't look old enough to be here.
Old enough to be here.
Yeah.
What's this whole beard? What you talking about?
Ah, grade 10s have beards too, bruh. It's the shoes for me, eh? It's the shoes.
As le kuve ngiyafaka uphaqo. Beba right.
Ay, mina ngizothini ndoda. Engabi popile wabe ngayiqabula futhi.
Say something smart.
Kanya, dog. Are they not too tight?
What?
The pants.
Iveze
You sure?
namaqala.
Gotta get.
Tailor-made, boy. According to your size, boy.
Gotta do it. But anyway.
So, Nathal, I was thinking.
Hey boy, are you thirsty?
Yeah.
Are you thirsty?
Access sponsors say why that's really. We should have 30 spots.
I feel like playing video games.
Okay, welcome.
Yeah,
What
cela
do you
nesibless yabo. Noma nje ngasihlalisela nje idini neGTA izophuma yabo. Ize ne-console by the way. But yeah, any
ngoba unamali. I-PS.
malenza imali ukuzinto zami yini manje.
Kusiyam yo le bicycle lakho lingaba namali.
Fusa.
Sorry, I can't understand. I stand under. What you say? I didn't come my beer. At least they should connect though. What you say? Operate some.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Almighty Gohiwi. You guys go peep the YouTube channel too and follow me on Instagram at Gohiwi. It's easy, baby. Come on. Let's
I like this guy's hair.
Violate. Let's go.
We go operate something. Alright. Come here, bro.
Yes.
What's up? She wants to kiss me on the lips, so what?
She wants to give me the lip.
Kanti yakuvuna. Uthula usho luzo.
Yeah. No, I feel like she could be like one of the brews, or what? Yeah, she could be like one of the gang, what? Yeah, she's not worthy of a kiss, so what? She has to be dissed, or what? Those are the vibes, so diss, yeah? What's up, girl?
Bengimshiyele ring lo.
How are you doing? Are you good? You know my chat, nah? Like my chat, like, I don't know, today's fit.
Cause of tell me to know my chat.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Dude, I feel like I'm too old. I feel like I'm too old.
I don't know any lingo.
When I listen to guys who dress like this, I feel like I'm too old.
It's not communicating, or what? Like, it's just not communicating. But you, I'm gonna blow you a kiss, yeah?
Bonke bagqoma secret socks. Bonke bagqoma secret socks. Amantombazana abafana.
But the sponsors as a speed.
Sure, dog. We must react to something from his speech. Speech in a market.
Give me your hand, go. Kiss you on the hand, yeah.
That would be funny.
What's up, girl?
If he bites her.
Are you good? Are you cuffed?
Ufuna ukuboshwa manje.
Yeah. You cuffed? Oh, do you think I...
Ufuna ndawo ne-boyfriend.
Naye leyo mjida loyo.
Ebi.
Yena boyfriend yakhe. Mbukele nje,
Uhleli endlini. Ugela ukutshela ukuthi uyabona. Ulawe.
Ubhizo ehleli intombi yakhe bayibamba ngeke.
You more like Mary. Oh yeah, you wait. No. Quick question. Do you think I care about you?
That's a great statement, right? But no. What's gonna make or break the shit is what you're gonna do after.
Okay.
And the feeling also underperform.
Do you think no. Zero fucks given. Zero fucks given. Do you think I care about your husband? You don't think I do now? Come over here. Okay, I see them. We chilling.
I told.
Only if she met him up. I don't think it was up to him.
It was up to him.
Well, it was not up to him. He aimed for a kiss. She decided to say no.
Mina psychology ngayifuda yabo. Nomntana I know what that means. I know exactly what that means.
It means sexual harassment.
No, man. Why do you have to be a disgusting pig?
No, but if she says
But he didn't step closer.
He did. He literally
He
just
didn't step
the
closer.
cheek.
He leaned in. There's a difference between stepping closer and leaning in. Man, kanti high school benenzani?
Okay.
We chilling.
I made it out of high school without a criminal record. I'm
Me
not
too.
sure about you.
Oh yeah.
Qabuliwe lo dlula.
Come over here.
How? Hi, boy.
Sis! This guy's disgusting. That's disgusting. How you gonna kiss a girl after you see her kiss another guy? Oh, uyitshela ukuthi uyo easy. Uyitshela ukuthi yena easy.
Can do right.
Usaba lababanye uqinela
Ah,
umntwana.
this thing stopped. It just stopped.
Usaba lababanye uqinela umntwana.
Usaba nabo iqinile.
Ah, so I figure that.
Bafile uyena omile ile ntombazana.
Amantombazane athanda izinto angameplay. Le ifile. Le ifile.
Hey, what are they ngipopile? Yo.
Come on. How you gonna kiss a girl like him?
How
disgusting.
If niggas can smoke the same blunt, I think it's
not the same thing. It's not the
It's
same
the same
thing.
thing. If niggas can smoke the same blunt, it's
No, Uncle Many hygiene, man.
Nerd.
I'm just saying, out of principle, there's tunes. How you gonna kiss a girl like just kiss?
Look at how he's dressed.
Sloppy seconds, literally sloppy seconds.
Yeah, kodi principle ngendlela aqoka khona. Uyala ama principles. Mina ngikhuluma ngehygiene.
Nah, but that's disgusting.
Yonke insipho
Uyasibless.
Yonke insipho iyageza.
Ntombazane, kazokwabani isibongo.
Kube yazi umele next door neighbor. Kuvele umele lo yangani.
You know what's even funnier?
Yini yake?
Uzoshada lo mntwana.
Uzombona la.
Khona awuthezomshada.
Awu man! Oh!
The prettiest people do the ugliest things.
La legqoke pink, I'm sure ngicabanga ukuthi special. Buka manje usinika team. Lokhu isidla kamzweli usemnika team. Usembambisa nezinqo.
That was weak. I have to say that was weak.
Yo,
That was weak. Eva. I believe it.
I'm not going to allow to go pink. Instead of saying come la.
But you know what? He's gonna underperform.
No, he's gonna be where he was before he kissed that girl.
Exactly.
No,
man, it's underperform.
Subtracting nation manch.
Yeah.
Meso Ed. Matsuya mqabule.
Yeah, kind of one. It's called one.
Are you cop?
Yes.
You think I care about your boyfriend?
You don't need to. I do.
Do you think shy?
You care about your boyfriend?
Yes, I do.
I bet. Give me a hand real quick. Just on the cheek. Yes, sir. Done.
Akambuzanga lona munye uthi unendaba ne-boyfriend yakhe. Lona munye akambuzanga.
Angitshela bekunini last week what did. I have no faith in men. Zero at all. Baba le bashita ukuthi inkundla se baba yaba ngasikhathi uyofa. Ngeni mina.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Michaela Black Syrup on Instagram. We're back at it again. You know what to do, baby. Channel.
Kapeta. He's defeated.
Self-esteem ithini engane Nkosi yami.
Ithi wathi Nkosi yami futhi. Ithi Nkosi ngiqatshulwe
Can I have another inch?
Rough. Ufuna ukuya ekhaya manje.
You can't
My chick's got a head like
Let's see your hairline.
Man. Relax.
Okay,
That's a female. Relax.
Yeah, but what do you expect? What do you expect? He's supposed to be as deep as it.
He's making it worse for Pixar.
No, he's emasculated. He's emasculated.
So if you're emasculated, can't Pixar and Ntombazana, you're trying yourself even further.
No, you become one.
Oh shit. Plot twist.
Okay.
I'll blow a kiss for you.
realize. Do you have inches?
Ouch. Ooh.
1 point for the parallel, you know?
Yeah, I guess.
Anyways. Girls kill me.
She would kill
I
for
like
another
giving a
kiss.
spiritual kiss. Spiritual kiss.
Spiritual.
Okay, come. Just this one.
Alright.
Hey, let's get that. What's operating here?
Can my parents not watch this?
Oh my god.
The underdog! This is what I live for. Oh, boy,
Hey boy, are you insured? Is this shit insured?
budgets. Come on, man, dude, come on. Voice over. At least we pay the little.
Hey boy, when did you quit smoking? Oh, you haven't. Oh, come.
Underdog. Fun.
Watch your kiss the next man.
And umntana uthi uyajola or should lembe bayishaya isandla lo mntana
Ubuzile ngisho. Ubuzile ngisho.
See,
Yena ubuzile.
cela uzovalelwa ma ungena vula isicaphu ungene
No, lona oyi-one angambuza ngilo na amqabulile. Oyi-one.
le ngathi befuna ukuphikisana nale mpintshana befuna ukuthi uyakhona nami ngiyakhona ngizokubonisa ukuthi nami ngiyakhona
Lona nje kwawela phe kwakhe nje. Kwawela phe kwakhe. Hey.
underdog yabona if le islam fanele iqabule omunye umntwana
Uthulile kanti enyangeni.
straight
Enyangeni.
Straight.
Country has been taken over. That one is bigger than us.
Thulile ukuphuza umuzi.
I'd rather die. That's it. Operate something. Hey yo, what you do? It's your boy David.
Hey, bingazi ukuthi sizobhopha imambane. Qabula omunye, ungaqabuli loya.
let me just say this now he's gonna disappoint me I know
No, he's not gonna disappoint you. I have faith in this guy.
I have no faith in men
Hey bro, roll the tape. I have faith in this guy.
Who no like better thing? Make you go kill himself. I would love to kiss you, no care, but like. Nah, you pretty head. Nah,
The pretty
can I
one.
kiss your hand there. To be honest, even though you're the last person on this world, I won't kiss you. I'd rather die to kiss you, eh?
Mbuzi my boyfriend. Nkosi yami. Nkosi yami.
mara umntwana ngiyamthola ukuthi wenzani
What?
he's playing chess
What?
mangabe ucabanga nje yabo if uyazi ukuthi okay ufuna ukuyenza le ndaba ibe solid azi ukuthi indlela zakhe zi-straight
What happens to playing hard to get? You know that this
Well,
game
hard
is...
to get.
No, I'm just saying.
mhlawumbe yena akadlala igame that's what I'm alluding to
And then what would happen if the next guy gets to kiss her?
he's the last guy
He's not the last guy.
he's the last guy
There's a guy with the beard.
i-host
Yeah.
isuka
Uyifakile.
No, suka.
Mawufuna ngenzeni? Uyifakile ngisho.
le host beyiqeda la kumele iqoqa amakhemera kufaka amakhebuli thina sibiza i-uber shaya phansi
Banamali yabo la bogibela amateksi ngoba bangamqabulanga. Bogibela amateksi. Yazi ukuqabule next door.
lo futhi
Hayi lona manje ngikhuluma ngalona olapha lo ngathi ulahlekile.
don't be disgusting
I know it's bigger than us, this one.
I don't know how to do this though. You know what I'm saying?
hey ntombazane
You know what his defense should be? I'm taller than you.
she's true
Yeah, that's what his defense should be.
I like you. Can I? No? I want your hand.
ngalomlomo buyaphi ale indebe zakho
Indebe. Uyaqabula abazali. Asibona ukuthi uyaqabula abani manje.
boss speech nokuqabula
You make
bobabili
so much
akanadaba
noise. Why?
And then go ahead like this will
Okay.
accept.
obvious
I don't know. I don't know. I mean, your girl's doing right there. You know what I'm saying? Is this your hand?
Yeah, it is.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Okay. Can I have your hand, please? Thank you. Oh, hi. How are you? I'm great. Can I kiss you on the cheek? Do you want me to kiss you on your mouth? My husband.
uzwakale phiphi unokuthi intombazane unevoice egrof ungayenza into ezikanje
Still skull. She has single-handedly moved feminism forward by 40 years. I'm telling you.
I don't know what the fuck that means, but I'll agree.
Well,
How? Wena ulandela mina bari uyakholoza yini yona leyo? What nonsense is that?
Umamthembu dad.
Naku umuntu.
Why are you? Hey boy, do you like ordering food?
Umhlaba uphelile mfethu. Chain.
That's one sponsor card.
Yeah, man. Mr. D, come on.
Oh, you've already told him what Umhlaba uphelile.
Come on.
Sponsorship is handy.
Awufuna ukuceba now. Mr.
Now
D,
be.
come on.
Why? Oh, it's a video game.
Nintendo, what it do? Wanibuyisa.
Now everyone's.
Ilindi chance yayo. Adjust izambak.
You better not complain. You better not complain. Don't complain.
I mean, you've done it before. It's nothing you're not used to.
Don't complain.
I'm disappointed in the first guy.
Yeah, I'm disappointed.
I'm gonna be like,
Yeah.
Try that one. That's umganakho.
Your turn.
Kiss you on the cheek.
Sekana ba standard. What the minimum requirement?
Oh, you thought you were special? You kiss me after I kiss another nigga. Now you think you're special? Oh, come on.
It's also upgraded.
Thought we upgrade.
It's also upgraded. Like that. Ubukanga tu sami like.
But don't be like that, Sylvie. Oh my gosh, what the fuck?
Nah, it's a gift. It's all good.
Aski,
I hope he's not genuinely in his feelings. I doubt.
At least you're pointing the finger.
Now for the kajula.
She has to want to.
Ay, ntombazana.
Now it's his turn.
Yeah, your turn.
Don't
No,
die.
it's me. No, let him go first. I'll go last. Do your thing.
Hi guys, it's your girl Kinsani, and I will be joining today's video.
Kinzani is so cute.
Oh,
Don't be a fucking hater.
uvumelana nawe nje kanti.
It's so cute.
Yena uvuthi uzokuphoqa.
Ungathi okay, it's cute.
Ucawuthikile bayiqabule number 2 uvuma amasimba mina bokubhekile.
Uzothini uKinzani kudawut?
Hi.
You know what would make this video epic if she kisses him?
Plot twist there.
Yeah. Confidence akibuke. He's gonna grow another foot.
Akhule lo skin jina. Tsak, umele confident hambe ngeanda.
Sunenonke.
Athi bentini alikhumzeni.
How can this here? Can I kiss you on the cheek though?
She's so nice. Oh my god.
I don't like it. She's like she said, Benton or whatever.
It's fine. It's fine.
Him haven't hamba amasokisi. Kangaka ukuthi bangithwe bangene ngicathulo.
I'm gonna blow you a kiss. I'm gonna blow you a kiss.
Uyocela amanamba out.
Oh, no, he's looking nasty like. Huh? Do you want to kiss him or what?
Maybe. No, I'm gonna kiss you on the cheek. What are you expecting me to do?
Shiny bomb.
You want me to kiss you?
I don't know what he's gonna get, but I really like his confidence.
Okay.
That's it. Okay. Alright. Ouch.
Bayiveyisile.
Hi.
Khohlakele ntombazana.
Man, baba.
Your hair. It's nah. I'll blow you a kiss.
Yo, no way. Is there any man like that? Hold up. It's my turn. Now, the thing is, there's people watching. You know what I'm saying? And I ain't gonna kiss nobody. So let me just violate everybody. Let's start here.
You're gonna get disappointed.
You're looking good. But what I know?
There's way too much male bonding.
Okay. But what? Relax. I'll just pass. Michael Jackson season is over, baby girl. You know what I'm saying? I'm not feeling the fit, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what you were thinking today. Did you look in the mirror before you came in? Yes. I don't think so.
And I think she was pretty when she did that.
Hey, it's 2021, baby girl. Ain't nobody still wearing those things, you know what I'm saying? And your glasses, dog, relax. You don't know those.
That's the worst. She just kissed everyone.
They
Just
all
right.
have the same. They literally all have the same dress code.
Abhorrent.
Men, women alike.
Ngiyafana.
They all have the same.
Ngafanelana ngisho ke impahla nishintshisane. Imbaleka amaphoyisa kungena omunye uphuma segqoke zakho kuyafana nje.
Anyways, next person. Hey, what going on all these chains and stuff? Yes. What's going on?
He's wearing a big chain too.
You are cuffed. With chains. Tough. Let's torture and relax. And then you. Ice. What's going on? Which one? I'm just saying, there is more cloud. That one is just beginning. Which one do you want? And Timberlands. Long day. Hey, but then this one.
The money, dog. The money.
I know this one has money. I can't find it. If I find it, 100 money, or she can pay her.
Imali le abafuna.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video, man.
That's the worst fucking ending. I'm grand, eh?
Yeah, it's anti-climactic. Anyways, yeah. Like, subscribe.
Recommend.
Yes.
So one other second after.